Every morning, somewhere across America, another pair of work boots hits the ground. They belong to farmers, mechanics, truck drivers, welders, factory workers, and the men and women who keep this country moving. For 250 years, America has been built by ordinary people willing to do extraordinary work. This is their story. It all began with ordinary people who believed freedom was worth fighting for. In 1776, those ideas were put to paper, declaring that a new nation would be born. The price of liberty would be paid on the battlefield. Against incredible odds, the impossible became reality. America was free. Freedom opened the door, but hard work built the nation. Families loaded everything they owned into wagons, chasing opportunity across an untamed frontier. Some became legends. Their sacrifices helped shape the character of a young nation, one determined to endure. From humble beginnings, a nation began to grow. Families cleared the land, built homes with their own hands, planted fields, and dreamed of a better tomorrow. Then came an age that changed everything. Steam harnessed the power of fire and water, turning impossible work into progress. Railroads stretched from coast to coast, and American ingenuity began to reshape the world. Visionaries like John Deere didn't just build better tools, they helped feed a growing nation. Thomas Edison lit the darkness, proving that one idea could change millions of lives. Henry Ford put America on wheels, making opportunity more accessible than ever before. Across the countryside, steel replaced muscle. Machines manipulated the work of hard-working hands, and every generation built upon the last. From those humble beginnings, a nation of builders, inventors, farmers, and dreamers was taking shape. Once again, ordinary Americans answered an extraordinary call. Farm boys, factory workers, and mechanics became soldiers, sailors, and airmen. Leaving their homes, their families, and the lives they knew, they fought with courage, worked with determination, and sacrificed so future generations could live in freedom. When the war was over, they didn't stop building America. They came home, started families, built businesses, worked the farms, filled the factories, and raised a generation that believed tomorrow could be even better than today. It was an era of hope, one that reminds us that America's greatest strength has never been its machines, it's always been its people.
She's got some bump to it.
The American spirit is still alive today in every soldier who stands watch, every firefighter who runs towards danger, every police officer who answers the call, every paramedic who fights to save a life, and every neighbor willing to lend a helping hand. Service has always been one of America's greatest strengths. To all who have worn the uniform or answered the call, thank you. Because of your courage, our story continues. As the highways filled with chrome, steel, and unmistakable American style, these weren't just cars, they were freedom. They carried families on summer vacations, teenagers on first dates, friends to the drive-in, and hardworking Americans to another day's work. Small towns to big cities, The rumble of a V8, the shine of fresh chrome, and the pride of building something bold became a part of who we were. They weren't just machines, they became memories. And today, every restored classic, every weekend cruise, every old truck brought back to life keeps a little piece of that American spirit rolling down the road.
We ain't picking no rocks. Oh my gosh. Can't even breathe in here.
All right.
Do I even have any tires left?
Let's get out of here before the cops show up.
Yep.
Leave it running,
Don't shut it off.
No,
Don't shut it off. Don't shut it off.
When Americans dared to dream, the impossible became reality. From the skies over distant battlefields to the edge of space, American engineers, workers, pilots, and innovators built machines that changed the world. The SR-71 Blackbird, the B-2 Spirit, Air Force One, the Space Shuttle, more than steel and aluminum, they are symbols of a nation that has never been afraid to reach higher, fly farther, and lead the way. Across this country, long before daylight breaks over the fields, American farmers are already at work. They work through heat, cold, drought, rain, breakdowns, long days, and short nights, not because it's easy, but because it matters. Every meal on every table has a story behind it, a story of soil, sweat, sacrifice, and faith, a story of families who gave their lives to the land so that the rest of America could be fed. The farmer does not always get the credit he deserves, but this country has always depended on him. From the earliest plows and steam engines to the tractors that changed farming forever, these machines helped build rural America. They fed our towns, our cities, our soldiers, our children, and our future. And behind every machine was a farmer, a family, a way of life. At Chasin Rust, we believe that history is not just something in the books. It's sitting in barns, parked in fence rows, running at tractor shows, and passed down from one generation to the next. When we save an old tractor, when we fire up a steam engine, when we bring an old machine back to life, we are saving more than iron. We're saving the story of the American farmer. To every farmer who has planted the seed, worked the ground, fixed the equipment, fed the livestock, prayed for rain, kept going when times were hard, thank you. America owes you more than most people will ever know. As long as we can, Chasin Rust will keep doing our part to preserve that heritage, honor that history, and keep those old machines running for the generations still to come. For 250 years, ordinary Americans have built an extraordinary nation. They worked the land, built the machines, defended our freedom, and left us a legacy worth preserving. At Chasin Rust, that's our promise: to honor the people, preserve the history, and keep these old machines running for generations to come. From our family to yours, happy 250th birthday, and God bless America.
Bye.